So hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Hope are you good and I am also good. Friends, today the big USDT mining and earning website launched today, and this website link I will provide you in description links. And first, how to create the account? Then you can check this. You can only put the create a username, and you can only put the username. Then you can enter the login password. Then you can enter the confirm login passwords. And friends, my invitation code has been automatically binded in this. You can only click on to description links. And friends, then you can enter the phone number and password. First you can check this country code, then you can enter the verification password 0.64. And I have clicked on to register now button. I have already created the account, then I have clicked on to login button. And friends, I have already created the account, then I have clicked on to login buttons. And friends, you can check this website name was eprice.com, and then you can check this the company of profiles eprice. The eprice is religious online money from this, and you can check this all introduction of this website. And this websites are addressed value digital for 2012 13 and 3 million. And you can check this all little profile company profiles. I have clicked on to promotion rewards. And friends, you can check this the download the deposit of 1000 USDT. The company will give you the lot of benefits 1600 USDT. And you can check this all the rewards of this website. And you can check this downline level 1 order commission of every day 16%, and level 2 commission of then lots of benefits of 8%. And you can check this the level 3 on order commission of 4%. And you can check this all the reward inter promotion rewards of this websites. And friends, I have clicked on to back, then you can check this the beginners of the lot of tutorials. And you can check this the beginner of tutorial. You can check this all. And friends, first how to get deposit in this app. And I have clicked on to deposit button, and then I have clicked on to TRC20 USDT, and then I have clicked on to next button. And friends, first I have put that 1000 USDT, and then I have copied the address, and I have put the transaction passwords. Then first I have put the Binance and sent 1000 USDT. And since I have successfully added the 1000 USDT, and I have clicked on to refresh the button, and then I have clicked on to profiles. And you can see this that my 1000 USDT are received in my accounts. And friends, I have clicked on to home button. Then you can check this how to earn money from on your invest. And you can check this level 1 the daily order of 20. And you can check this the commission rate of 0.3%. You can check this the fourth number of owned.by.com. And if you have deposit of 500 USDT, the company will give you the 35 order in a daily ratio, and you can earn up to 0.43% a day income. And you can check this the Zalora, and you can deposit cost of deposit bonus of 2000 USDT. The company will give you the level 3 of back. And you can check this the commission rate of 0.46%. And you can check this the Lazada company are real in the world. And you can check this the Lazada company will give you the management eprice.com. You can check this 5000 USDT. The company will give you the 50 order a daily. And you can check this physical eprice and data income and entry limits at 20,000 USDT level 5 and 55. You can check this 0.55 to commission ratio. I have clicked onto this, and I have first refresh the app. And friends, you can check this the platinum and golden income and diamonds. And you can check this the open sun. And friends, you can check this the user commission notifications. And I have clicked onto first gray buttons, and I have clicked onto gray buttons. Then I have first click onto automatic grab. And you can check this I have completing the grab. And how to complete the grab, I have clicked onto this, and you can show this how to do grabs. And I have clicked onto submit button right now. I have clicked onto again automatic buttons. And you can check this the again I have clicked onto again, and I have clicked onto again submit button. Then I have clicked onto again automatic gray buttons. and I have click on to again automatic grapes button. And friends, I have clicked on the automatic grapes button right now, and I have clicked on to again accounts, and I have you can check this the amount ratio of incomes, and you can check this. And I have clicked on to again submit buttons, and friends, I have clicked on to automatic grey button again, and I have put the against, and you can check this. I have clicked on to again submit buttons, and I have clicked on to again submit button. Then I have completed the all tasks, and I have completed the again. And friends, you can check this. I have clicked on to again the submit buttons. Then I have clicked on to again submitted buttons, and you can check this. My order has been all completed, successfully completed, and you can check this. My completed order has been done. You can. And friends, you can check this. I have completed 30 tasks, and you can check this. My daily commission is USDT. And friends, how to get withdraw in this site? And I have click on to withdraw button. Then I have click on to the payment password. First set the payment password. Friends, I have successfully put the payment password. Then I have click on to withdraw button. Then I have click on to confirm. And first I have add withdraw method. Then I have put the real names and password. Then I have put the transaction password and network address. And friends, then I have put the amounts of 1000 USDT, and then I have only put the transaction passwords. And friends, you can check this the friendly reminders. The minimum withdrawal is 30 USDT. The payment value is shall within the 72 hours. And you can check this. You can only withdraw. You can must click on to orders, and you can must complete 30 orders. And I have first put the transaction password and put the transaction password. And friends, you can check this the withdrawal because my withdrawal are successfully okay, and I have shared you a proof of withdrawal. And friends, you can check this the withdrawal records I've submitted the my one friend's withdrawal records, and you can check this the deposit are successfully show in your accounts. You can check this the withdrawal amounts, and you can check this the actual payments. The deposit are successfully showing this ads. And friends, this website is 100% real, so please join this website. This my video has been favorite. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Till then, goodbye and let's me bye bye.